Alrighty. Morning, guys. This is Frosty. Love bugs. Love bugs. Splatter, splatter. This is I've actually cleaned it while I was out riding. That's just some of the crap that's on there. You'll notice something in here. See that little seam right there? That is the pin lock. There's where it hooks into. There is another shield inside this shield, and that little rubber seal goes around it. You have no idea how wonderful that is. No fogging, none. I'm trying to get a good look at it. No fogging whatsoever. It is awesome. I'm trying to get this thing open. It's got a little latch down here on the bottom that you pull on for this helmet. It's tight, guys. It's damn near impossible to get it with one hand unless you're wearing the helmet. I can't do it, but I was going to open it up. But it's awesome. It really is. That pin lock system, you got a little pin on each side, one there and one over here. The only thing I don't like is you have to take this off, which is really simple. I mean, it's really easy to get off. But you have to take this thing off in order to put that pin lock in, because you have to flex this outward. You flex it out, that shield slides in with the latex pressing inward. You'll see when you have that shield, one side that doesn't have latex on it, the other side does. The latex presses against this face shield here, the external, and it seals it. It doesn't fog. My glasses will fog before that fogs. So that pin lock system, big thumbs up, whoever come up with that idea. But I'm going to clean it up, wax it, and get some of the bug off of it. I mean, it is beat to death with the love bugs. But they're starting to slow down. They're not out that long, like a week or so, and then they go away. Then they come back in the fall. But this is Frosty. I just wanted to post a little video on I haven't been posting a lot of videos on the rides because I've just been so busy. Guys, it really takes a lot. Hook up the camera to your helmet. Time you get all that stuff done, you don't enjoy the ride. And I've got buddies come by and they say, okay, let's go for a ride. Okay, jump on, we go for a ride. Stay gone for 2 or 3 hours, come back, and that's it. But I'm going to try to get system set up to where I keep my GoPros on charge, and I got mounts that I'm mounting on my motorcycle, and then we'll go from there. I don't like to glue a mount to the paint on my motorcycle. I've got one on the windshield, but I don't like to glue it. I've also looked at Ryan Erlacher at Law Abiding Biker. They have a little pin that you screw into the top of your, it's a bolt that screws into the top of the windshield where your bolts are already there, and it's got an additional stick up on it that you can mount GoPros to. I may do one of those, but you know, GoPros on the front of a bike, they get beat to death with bugs too. So then you're going to go, oh, well, I got a great video. No, you got a bug video. It's hard to video and keep them clean. It's Frosty, guys, and I'm out.